Most electrical systems are surprisingly bad at telling you what they are actually doing. You flip a switch, something turns on, and somewhere in the background, your electricity meter quietly updates a number that you will certainly regret seeing later. But in modern installations, especially where automation or solar is involved, rough idea is no longer good enough. This is where things start getting interesting, because instead of guessing, you can actually measure. Meet the Shelly Pro EM50A, a DIN rail mounted single-phase energy meter designed to bring real-time power monitoring, logging, and automation into proper electrical installations without needing external hubs or complex metering systems. The Shelly Pro EM 50 amp sits in a very different category to plug-in smart meters or retrofit clamps. This is a DIN rail device, designed for distribution boards, consumer units, and professional installations where reliability and integration matter more than convenient packaging. At its core, it's a dual-channel single-phase energy meter capable of monitoring voltage, current, active power, apparent power, and total energy consumption in real time. Each channel supports up to 50 amps via external current transformers, and the system can monitor two independent measuring points on the same phase. That makes it particularly useful for separating critical loads, sub-circuits, or comparing consumption between different parts of an installation. And it's not just live monitoring. The device logs up to 60 days of detailed energy data at 1-minute intervals, stored in non-volatile memory. So even if your network goes down, you will not lose that historical consumption data. That alone puts it ahead of a lot of smart energy systems that forget everything the moment connectivity drops. The included current transformer clamps provide non-invasive measurement, allowing you to monitor circuits without interrupting or modifying existing wiring. It's designed for retrofit and new installations alike. And then there is the control layer. The built-in 2-amp dry contact relay can be used to drive a contactor, meaning the system is capable of controlling larger loads safely and indirectly. This is especially important for HVAC systems, industrial equipment, or any application where you would never route load current directly through a small device. The Shelly Pro EM50 amp is built with serious connectivity in mind. You get Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and Bluetooth support, all available simultaneously. On top of that, it supports MQTT, WebSockets, HTTP callbacks, Modbus TCP, UDP, TLS, and custom certificates. In other words, it's designed to drop directly into industrial systems, home automation setups, or hybrid environments without forcing you into a single ecosystem. It integrates with platforms like Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Home Assistant, but the real strength here is that it doesn't require any of them. You can also run it fully locally if you want to, which is increasingly rare in consumer-grade energy monitoring hardware. Installation is where the Shelly Pro EM50 amp clearly separates itself from compact retrofit devices. Instead of fitting behind a switch or inside a wall box, this unit is designed for DIN rail mounting inside a consumer unit or control panel. That means clearer wiring, more structured installations, and far better long-term serviceability. The current transformer clamps are placed around the relevant conductors, and the device handles measurement and reporting internally. Because the measurement is done via current transformers, there is no need to break circuits or reroute loads through the device itself. This makes it ideal for professional installations where safety, compliance, and maintenance capability matter. The integrated relay can then be used to trigger a contactor if load control is required, allowing the system to scale far beyond the onboard current rating. In practice, this means that you can monitor and control lighting circuits, HVAC systems, EV chargers, or distribution subboards without redesigning your entire electrical layout. The Shelly Pro EM50 amp is a proper energy monitoring and control device designed for installations where visibility, reliability, and integration matter. Its DIN rail mounting enclosure, multiple channel monitoring, industrial protocol support, and full local control all provide you with a professional platform that really lives up to its smart claims. With this energy monitor, you can turn your distribution board into a data source, and combining it with internet technologies will enable you to build a truly advanced energy management system. If you want to get your hands on one of these, then head over to PartsToYou, where you can find this and many other bits of hardware that you could possibly need for your next serious automation project.